Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to a new video from Pashto Farsi Mastery. In this video, we will be learning the second letter of Pashto alphabet, that is B. In the previous video, we learned everything about alif, the writing of alif, connection of alif, scripting of alif, everything. In this video, we will be learning the second letter, that is B. If you're new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel to see every new videos about Pashto Dari language. Let's come to start our lesson. The letter B have the B sound in English, like ba, ba. Look, the name is B and giving the sound of ba. B is from the second category of alphabet. As you know, we mentioned in the previous video, the first video, that in Pashto language we can divide the alphabet by two categories. The first one, the alphabet that is just coming at the beginning and at the end of words, and we can script to the right side of that alphabet everything, but to the left side we can't, like alif, but based from the second category. Look, when it comes initial, its base style is this one, in middle part is this one, final join is this one, final join is this one. Yeah, in general we can say the letter B, when it came at the beginning, like it come like this part of B at the beginning, like for example, when it come at the beginning is coming like this one, and the middle is coming like this part, at the end when it's script with another things is coming like this one, you know. Yeah, based on the second category, that is coming in every part, when it come at the beginning and middle, style is changing, giving the sound of ba, ba. Let's come to examples like this one, be, sentence we have in this word, the bağlarım, the bağlarım. It means I have a garden. The means I. Bağ means garden. Larım means have. Look, in the previous lesson also we mentioned that in Pashto and Dari, in both language, the verb is always goes to the end of the sentence. Like how, go to the end of the sentence. The means I, Bağ means garden, Larım means have. Look how, go to the end of the sentence. Yeah, the bağlarım. I have a garden. The bağlarım. I have a garden. The bağlarım. I have a garden. دا باغ ډیر ښکلی دی. دا باغ ډیر ښکلی دی. This garden is very beautiful. دا mean this. Baغ, garden again. ډیر very. ښکلی, beautiful. They is. Look, in this sentence the verb is helping verb. Is what? Is verb. Is go to the end of the sentence like this one. Is they. Yeah. دا باغ ډیر ښکلی دی. دا باغ ډیر ښکلی دی. This garden is very beautiful. دا باغ ډیر ښکلی دی. This garden is very beautiful. دا means this. باغ means garden. ډیر very ښکلی beautiful. They is. په باغ کې کار کوم. په باغ کې کار کوم. I'm working in the garden. Pa and Bach. Pa means, Pa Bach in the garden. Look, we will be having Pashto grammar lessons that this one like in Pashto language is coming like in two parts, like a sandwich. Like the word is coming, the noun is coming in the middle. One part is coming to left side, one part is coming to the right side. Like N is divided by two parts, Pa and K. Like that garden is coming in the middle of it, like a sandwich. په باغ کې کار کوم. It means, the pa and k means in. په باغ کې in the garden. کار work کوم do, working. په باغ کې کار کوم. I'm working in the garden. Look, In this sentence, we remove the I. Look, if we look to the Pashto of them, there is no I. In Pashto language, most of the time we're removing pronoun like this one, personal pronoun, because the end of the sentence, kawam is referring to I. This one is personal ending. We knowing from the end of the sentence that is this sentence belong to me, like I. By this reason, we didn't mention I. But in the reality, we must say like this one. I am working in the garden. But we dropped the because I. And because the end of the sentence is clear. I'm working in the garden. But also we can say I am working in the garden. Both of them have the same meanings. But don't forget, in Pashto language, most of the time we removing personal pronoun. خب زه هره ورځ باغ ته ځم. زه هره ورځ باغ ته ځم. Look like this one. I go to the garden every day. زه means I. هره ورځ every day. باغ garden. ته ځم go. Go is verb go to the end of the sentence. In this sentence, like we can say هره ورځ باغ ته ځم is also correct. Like in mostly in conversational form, we say هره ورځ باغ ته ځم. I mean, we didn't mention ourselves like that. We can say simple. هره ورځ باغ ته ځم. Yeah, I go to the garden every day. زه هره ورځ باغ ته ځم. I go to the garden every day. زه I هره ورځ every day. باغ garden ته ځم go. زه هره ورځ باغ ته ځم. I go to the garden every day. زه بازار ته ځم. زه بازار ته ځم. I'm going to the market. زه means I. بازار market. ته ځم going to. زه بازار ته ځم. I'm going to the market. زه بازار ته ځم. I'm going to the market. بابا مې له بازاره میوه راوړه. Look. Baba, bay. This one is bay also. Bay in this part is also, بابا مې له بازاره میوه راوړه. My grandfather brought fruit from the market. Baba me, my grandfather. Baba means grandfather. Me, when mate came, it means, like my grandfather. Baba me, my grandfather. La bazara, from the market. Meva, fruit. Ravda, bring. You can say fruits, meva. Fruit, yeah. Baba me la bazara meva ravda. If we say like fruits, we must say meve. Yeah. Baba me la bazara meva ravda. My grandfather brought fruit from the market. Baba, grandfather. Me, it means my grandfather. La bazara, from the market. Meva, fruit. Ravda, bread. موږ له بازاره سبزي واخیسته. موږ له بازاره سبزي واخیسته. It means we bought vegetables from the market. موږ we له بازاره from the market. له from بازاره market. سبزي vegetables. واخیسته bought. موږ له بازاره سبزي واخیسته. We bought vegetables from the market. موږ له بازاره سبزی واخیسته. We bought vegetables from the market. نن باران وریږي. نن باران وریږي. It's raining today. Look, نن means today. باران, rain. وریږي, raining. نن باران وریږي. It's raining today. نن باران وریږي. It's raining today. نن, today. Baran, rain. Warigi, raining. Baran warigi, it means, raining. It's compound verbs, words. Nan baran warigi. It's raining today. ماشومان د باران لاندې منډې وهي. ماشومان د باران لاندې منډې وهي. The children run under the rain. ماشومان, children. د باران لاندې, under the rain. باران, rain. Lande and Mandy ran. Wahi, like running. ماشومان د باران لاندې منډې وهي. The children ran under the rain. ماشومان د باران لاندې منډې وهي. The children then enroll the rain. زه د باران غږ خوښوم. زه د باران غږ خوښوم. It means I like the sound of rain. زه means I. د باران the rain. غږ sound. خوښوم like. I like the sound of rain. Look, like is again verb that come to the end of the sentence. زه د باران غږ خوښوم. I like the sound of rain. We can drop this as well. We can say the باران غږ خوښوم is also giving the same meaning. I like the sound of rain. Yeah. زه د باران غږ خوښوم. I like the sound of rain. Now is the time to practice again from the beginning after me. Look. زه باغ لرم. I have a garden. زه باغ لرم. I have a garden. دا باغ ډېر ښکلی دی. دا باغ ډېر ښکلی دی. This garden is very beautiful. په باغ کې کار کوم. په باغ کې کار کوم. I am working in the garden. زه هره ورځ باغ ته ځم. زه هره ورځ باغ ته ځم. I go to the garden every day. زه بازار ته ځم. زه بازار ته ځم. I'm going to the market. I'm going to the market. زه بازار ته ځم. بابا مې له بازاره میوه راوړه. بابا مې له بازاره میوه راوړه. My grandfather brought fruit from the market. موږ له بازاره سبزي واخیسته. موږ له بازاره سبزي واخیسته. We bought vegetable from the market. نن باران وریږي. نن باران وریږي. It's raining today. ماشومان د باران لاندې منډې وهي. ماشومان د باران لاندې منډې وهي. The children ran into the rain. ماشومان د باران لاندې منډې وهي. زه د باران غږ خوښوم. زه د باران غږ خوښوم. I like the sound of rain. If you would like to learn Pashto or Dari online, feel free to contact me. I've got hundreds of students and delivered thousands of hours of lessons on platforms like Italki and Farsi. You can check out my students' reviews here to see what they say about learning with me. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next lesson.